Doing the Truly Raspberry Tea hard seltzer. So 5% alcohol. Oh no. They're from
Boston Beer Company.
Okay.
Yeah, it's one of their brands.
Yeah.
Yep.
Oh yeah, it smells like
Smells
fresh
like their
jam.
Yeah, smells like the seltzers and it smells like the lemonades.
Mm-hmm.
Sweet raspberry.
Damn.
Super fragrant and nice.
Yeah.
I like it. A lot of raspberry in the finish.
Mm-hmm.
Like up front, I almost had some tea, and then it's still finishing raspberry.
Yeah, I forgot it was tea.
Like the other, I know.
Oh, the linger's a little bit tea. Yeah, the flavor is pretty good.
The second drink was better.
Mm-hmm.
Definitely not as tea-like, at least to me. Not as
The
tea-like
more you
as the
drink,
other
there's a
ones.
little bit at the bottom there.
Yeah,
You know what I mean?
Yeah.
It shows up more the more you drink it.
it does.
But the raspberry is
that's kind of-
very
yeah.
pronounced.
Very much so, except that it does become a little more subdued. Like, I mean, that was, what, third or fourth drink, and the tea does start to come back into it a little bit.
Yeah, it's weird.
Yeah. Or a lighter kind of tea almost, like not a black tea, more like a green
Yeah.
tea or something. The raspberry flavor is tasty though. A little bit of
I like it.
sweetness in there.
And then a little earthy.
Right, yeah.
It's nice. And it kind of lingers too, the flavor.
Mhm.
Fucking once it dries out, it's just like,
Oh, very much so it
Mhm.
lingers. I could
Fuck.
definitely go for a few of these puppies.
yeah. Pour a bunch in a pitcher and throw.
Oh, just devastation.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Ha.
Throw a little mint on it.
Yeah, absolutely.
squeeze a
Just
lemon.
hardcore fucking, country club sundress chick panty
Oh,
remover.
yeah. I like it.
Summer foods, summer
Sure,
salads,
yeah.
ultimate like
Cold sandwiches. and-
outside eating in the sun. I mean, full on summer all the way.
Oh yeah. Picnics.
Grilled chicken.
Oh yeah.
Cold chicken.
Mhm. Absolutely. Potato salad, coleslaw.
Ribs.
Yeah, ribs.
Oh man, salmon Caesar.
Yeah, it's pretty good stuff.
Yeah, it's really good. Summer fare for sure. Super light and just kind of the fruitiness would play off anything grilled.
Mm-hmm. Oh yeah.
Just fantastically well done. Even God, you could do like some more complex built skewers with some chicken, maybe even a little bit of beef, but certainly some pork and some shrimp, and just kind of a surf and turf skewer with sweet onion, and then do like a raspberry pureed sauce with some herbs.
Oh
and-
yeah. Pancakes and waffles with actual raspberries on top with the butter.
Ah,
and
man.
Fucking, yeah.
Yeah.
This would go real good with
smoky
that.
peppered bacon, or
Oh,
just
yeah.
like spicy breakfast sausage.
Oh yeah. Absolutely.
Fuck.
That'd be fucking
Good
great.
call.
Yeah. Yeah, that's good. Wish we had more. But sweet.
Truly comes through again,
Truly,
man.
truly did it again.
Indeed.